Welcome back to the second installment of the Density Lab. You should be on slide 6 of 9. This introductory walkthrough video will show you the beginning aspects of the lab, how to access the resources, and so on. However, the actual videos that you will need to see and watch to get your data for the lab will be different. So there are different videos with different data. So you will have to make sure that within the lab report, you use the video link from inside the lab report. I'll explain that even further in detail later. So for now, you should be on this video here and just simply walking through where all of your resources will be. Now, if you'd like to, you can open up your clean copy of the Density Lab, which will bring you to this one where there's nothing written on it. Or you can opt to go straight to the one with the access points. So here's the one with the access points that will walk you through. When you are viewing the video attached to your density report in Google Classroom, you can use this as a guide in addition to what I walk you through in the actual video itself with real data for this data table. So what you'll see here is it is all set up with the columns and telling you what to do in each of those columns. We don't need to go over that now because I will discuss how to do it in the separate lab video. This section will be measuring just the density of water by itself. Similar setup, similar style. This is on clay. So the density of clay, but your difference will be the shape of the clay. Lastly, in part C, we'll be measuring density together, and you will be calculating and recording the data for 3 different materials. Each material will have the same shape and the same size, but is made of different stuff. Then you will have your discussion questions with your access points, which continues through here, with a conclusion question where explanations are necessary. Also, keep in mind the density hands, and if you need to review the density hands, view the previous video, and it was at the end. Now, in order to access a link to the actual video for the data, you will click the density report page that is in your class assignments in Google Classroom. So that means you are launching from the assignment link here in your work guide. So if you are period 8, you will click period 8. So when you click period 8, it should bring you to your classroom assignment page. You will see that there is a density lab report sheet that has been assigned to you. When you click that, you will see that you have some information here along with your density report page. When you click that, it will launch this page here. And what I'm planning on doing is I'm going to put the link with your specific video. And yes, there are multiple videos, so classes will not necessarily have the same video with the same data. So that is very important that you only use the link that has been assigned to you in your Google Doc. When you click that, it will launch YouTube so you can watch the lab video, where you will then walk through the lab with me and continue to populate your data into these tables until you've completed the entire lab. And if you have questions, feel free to reference this video, the previous video, your access points, your notes, and then if you need to, maybe you can check in with a neighbor, check in with Ms. H, check in with Ms. Kowalski, or check in with myself. But good luck, everything's there for you. I know you can do it. We'll see you soon.